The brand new Nissan 370Z is the embodiment of a modern sports car with a powerful engine, agile chassis, and a sharp new look. Available as both a coupe, roadster, or range-topping Nismo model, the 370Z's racy silhouette and dramatic sloping roofline are accentuated with piercing HID by xenon headlights and LED taillights. The aluminum alloy wheels and prominent dual exhaust polish off the package, while the optional sport package adds a functional rear spoiler and a front chin spoiler to reduce lift and increase aerodynamics. The 370Z's interior is a driver's sanctuary with highly bolstered 8-way adjustable sports seats, leather-trimmed controls, and push-button ignition. Fine vision electroluminescent gauges with multi-function drive computer put you in control, along with the Nissan hard drive navigation system with GPS, 7-inch touchscreen monitor, and voice recognition. At the heart of the new 370Z is the venerable 3.7-liter 6-cylinder VQ engine, producing 332 horsepower. The front engine, rear-wheel drive layout of the 370Z is true to the traditional sports car, while the world's first Synchro Rev Match transmission makes seamless downshifts effortless. Nissan's 370Z is the epitome of a progressive sports car with its striking appearance and captivating performance.